In this video, we show how to replace an OCP and Riser 3 in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To replace an OCP with the cover removed, pull back on the latch on the cover and lift it up. Then lift the blue retention clip and then slide the OCP out of the back of the system. To install an OCP, align it and slide it into the back of the system until fully seated. Then press down on the blue retention clip to secure it in place. And then replace the access panel. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.